Hello, everyone, and welcome back where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. It is a beautiful day to learn English.
It really is, Paul. The sun is shining, and I am feeling very energetic today. How are you?
I am fantastic, thank you. I am full of energy, too. I think today is going to be a great day.
I like your positive attitude. And you used a special grammar form just now. You said, today is going to be a great day.
Oh, did I? I didn't even notice. It just came out naturally.
That is perfect, because today we are talking about exactly that. We are talking about the future.
The future? Ooh, that sounds exciting. Like science fiction. Cars that can fly?
Not exactly flying cars, Paul. We are talking about your plans, your real-life plans.
Ah, I see. Like what I will do tomorrow? Or next week?
Yes, exactly. Being able to talk about your plans is so important. It helps you make dates with friends, talk about your holidays, and organize your life.
That is very true. I use the future tense every single day.
Me too. But before we jump into the future, we need to do something in the present.
Yes, we do. We have a small favor to ask you.
Please, if you enjoy our conversations, take a second to subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And hit the like button. It helps us so much. We want to help more people learn English, just like you.
And share this episode with a friend, maybe a friend who wants to practice English with you.
Yes, learning with a friend is always better. Okay, Emily, I am ready. Let's talk about the future.
Great. So, Paul, there are two main ways we talk about the future in English. They are very common.
Two ways. Let me guess. Will and going to.
You got it. Will and going to. They are easy, but sometimes students get confused.
Yes, it can be tricky. When do I use will and when do I use going to?
Let's start with going to. We use going to for plans.
Plans. You mean things I decided before?
Exactly. Think about your weekend. Paul, do you have a plan for Saturday?
Yes, I do. I thought about it yesterday. On Saturday, I am going to play tennis with my brother.
Perfect example. You said, I am going to play tennis. You decided this yesterday. It is a plan.
I see. So it is not a surprise. It is organized.
Yes, I am going to visit my mother. I am going to buy a new car. These are plans.
Okay, that is clear. I am going to eat pizza tonight.
Is that a plan?
Yes, it is. I bought the pizza this morning. It's in my fridge. So, it's a plan.
Okay, then I am going to eat pizza is correct. Now, let's look at will.
Will. This one is short and fast.
It is. We often use will when we decide something right now, in this moment.
Right now. Can you give me an example?
Sure. Imagine the phone is ringing. Ring, ring.
Oh, I will answer it.
See, you didn't plan to answer the phone yesterday. You decided right now.
Ah, I understand. So, going to is for the past decision, and will is for the present decision.
Yes, that is a simple way to think about it. Will is also used for promises.
Promises. Like, I will love you forever?
Yes, that is a very big promise. Or simple ones. I will help you with your homework.
That is nice. I will call you later.
Exactly. You are offering or promising.
Okay, so plans use going to, promises and quick decisions use will.
You are a quick learner, Paul. But there is one more thing.
One more. Uh-oh. Is it difficult?
No, it is easy. In real life, native speakers speak very fast.
Yes, they do. Sometimes too fast.
When we say going to, often it sounds like gonna.
Gonna. Yes, I hear that in movies all the time. I'm gonna go home.
Yes, I am going to go home becomes I'm gonna go home. It is very informal, but very common.
So, should I write gonna in an email to my boss?
No, never write gonna to your boss. Write going to. But when you speak with friends, gonna is okay.
Okay. I'm gonna play tennis. That sounds natural.
It sounds very natural. Now, Paul, let's practice. I want to know about your dream holiday.
My dream holiday. Wow. Okay. I have many plans in my head.
Tell me. Use going to.
Okay. Next summer, I am going to go to Italy
Italy! That is wonderful. Why Italy?
because I love the food. I am going to eat lots of pasta.
Of course, pasta and pizza.
Yes. And I am going to visit Rome. I want to see the old buildings.
That sounds like a fantastic plan. You used going to perfectly because these are your ideas for the trip.
Thank you. And what about you, Emily? What are you going to do for your next holiday?
I am going to stay home.
Stay home. Really?
Yes, I am going to relax. I'm going to read many books, and I am going to sleep a lot.
That sounds like a good plan, too. A staycation.
Exactly, a staycation. But Paul, imagine we are in Italy now.
Okay, I am imagining it. We are in a restaurant.
The waiter comes to the table. He asks, "What do you want to eat?"
I look at the menu. I decide now. I will have the spaghetti.
Yes, I will have, because you are deciding in the moment.
I get it. I don't say, I am going to have the spaghetti, usually.
You can, but I'll have or I will have is very common for ordering food.
I'll. That is the contraction, right?
Yes, I will becomes I'll. It is softer and faster. I'll have the salad. I'll help you.
I'll. I'll. Okay, I am practicing.
Good job. Now, let's talk about something else very useful. Time markers.
Time markers? What are those?
Words that tell us when the plan is, like tomorrow.
Ah, yes. Yesterday is past, tomorrow is future.
Correct. We have tomorrow, next week, next month, next year.
And tonight, that is close future.
Yes, and in 10 minutes or soon.
Soon is a good word. I will see you soon.
Yes, these words help people understand you are talking about the future.
So I can say, I am going to the gym next week.
Perfect. The listener knows exactly when.
What about on Monday?
Yes, on Monday, on Sunday, or dates. On July 4th.
I am going to have a party on July 4th.
Ooh, can I come?
Of course, you are invited.
Thank you. I will bring the cake.
You used will.
Yes, I promised.
This is fun. It is like a game.
It is. English grammar is a logic game. Once you know the rules, you can play.
Emily, I have a question. Sometimes I hear people use the present tense for the future.
Oh, that is a very good observation, Paul. Yes, we use the present continuous.
Like, I am working?
Yes, but for the future, I am working tomorrow.
I am working tomorrow. But working is usually now.
Usually. But if you have a scheduled appointment, usually with another person or a specific time, we use present continuous.
Can you give me another example?
I am meeting my friend at 5 p.m.
I am meeting. Okay. It is very sure. It is fixed.
Yes, it is a very strong plan. I am flying to New York on Friday.
I see. It is on the ticket. It is 100% happening.
Exactly. So for beginners, going to is safe. Will is for quick decisions. But if you want to sound advanced, use present continuous for fixed arrangements.
I am having dinner with my boss tonight.
Very good. That sounds very professional.
I think I prefer I am eating pizza alone tonight.
You and your pizza.
It is my favorite plan.
Paul, talking about plans makes me feel excited.
Me too. It makes me look forward to good things.
Do you have any big plans for your life? Like in 5 years?
Wow, deep question. In 5 years, I am going to write a book.
Really? A book? That is amazing.
Yes, it is my dream. I am going to write a book about learning English.
That is a fantastic goal. And you used going to because it is a life plan.
Yes, I am thinking about it a lot.
I will buy the first copy.
Thank you, Emily. That is a nice promise.
See, we are using the future tense naturally.
It is not so scary. It's just talking about what comes next.
Exactly. So, listeners, don't be afraid. You can talk about your weekend, your dinner, or your dreams.
Just remember, do you have a plan? Use going to. Are you deciding now? Use will.
Simple and effective.
Emily, looking at the time, I think our episode is ending soon.
Oh no! Time flies when we are planning the future.
It does. But this was a great chat. I feel very ready for my weekend.
Me too. I'm going to relax, and you are going to play tennis.
And eat pizza.
And eat pizza.
Before we go, we want to hear from you.
Yes, we want to know your plans.
Please tell us in the comments, what are you going to do this weekend?
Use the sentence, I am going to, and tell us your plan.
I am going to sleep. I am going to dance. I am going to study English.
Anything. We love reading your comments. It makes us so happy.
And please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next chat.
And give us a big thumbs up if you liked this episode.
Share it with your family and friends. Maybe they have big plans too.
Thank you so much for listening today. We appreciate you all.
Yes, thank you. Have a wonderful future.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.